Johnny, look at all these bees pollinating.
It's fascinating.
Look at all them bees, Matthew, pollinating.
Matthew, you just ruined that for the bees. The bees were on that.
Look, there's one that's different right there.
There's no one here. I don't see one that's different.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Bumblebee?
There's a bumblebee and the rest are honeybees.
Yeah, comment down below if that's what you think. A bumblebee
Oh, you want recording?
and honeybees. And also, if anyone knows what type of flower this is. We are at a wetland.
It looks like a sakura tree or whatever.
We're at a wetland preserve, so these are growing almost in the water.